Srimati G. Vijayalakshmi, Mayor GHMC, Ms. Mamta Reddy Nalagaru, Regional South Head, distinguished guests and participants, esteemed winners of the Times Business Award. If your action inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Here, as the progress, make the businessman learn more, do more, and achieve more. Times Group is marching as a leader among the media group so that it motivates the businessman to do more and to achieve more. I am delighted to note that this is the 7th edition of Times Business Award. I am happy to know that the Times Business Award is getting bigger year after year. I appreciate the efforts of Optimal Media Solutions of the Times of India Group for this grand event. I am pleased to find many stalwarts of various business groups, real estate developers, retail business experts and entrepreneurs of our Telangana state here at this function. I feel happy to be the chief guest at this award function where the best in real estate development, retail business and entrepreneurship of our state are being honored. To be successful, you have to have your heart in your business and business in your heart. So I should appreciate each and everyone who are having the business in your heart and putting the heart into the business, and you are so successful and you are here. It's not an easy to be a businessman. That too, to compete with others in a program and in a competition held by the eminent media group like Times Now, and you are here with all your efforts. As it is said, 24/7 you work, and whenever you see a successful businessman, someone once made a courageous decision. So it's not an easy job. I should say, I can narrate one incident. One of a successful businessman called his two of his marketing persons, marketing person A, marketing person B. And both of them were sent to an island to assess the possibility of the business opportunities. Marketing person A came and told, there is no any opportunity in that island at all. No need to put our efforts there in the island. We won't get any business. The marketing person B came and told, there are ample opportunities. We have to install our factory there and we can mint money from that island. The business head was surprised because both the marketing men were sent at the same time. They went to the same island and they traveled the same distance and they analyzed the same island. Then he called the business, marketing person A and asked, why you are telling there is no any opportunity? Then that person told, in that island, nobody has the habit of wearing shoes. So ours is a shoe company. So there is no any opportunity for us because nobody has the habit of wearing the shoes. He called the second person. The second person told, I told there are ample opportunities because nobody has the habit of wearing the shoes. So we can motivate them to wear shoes and we can make aware of them about the safety of the shoes. So there is ample opportunities in the business in that island. That is the vision of two marketing persons, and we have to, as a successful business people, you have to deal with the marketing person A as well as marketing person B. And that is the expert head. You select the marketing person B so that you see the opportunity in every aspect. And as a professional and as a constitution head, I can say that if you are sitting here, the amount of efforts and the amount of conviction and amount of the expertise which you have applied in your business. And particularly, I appreciate Times Group, whenever there is motivation only, we can achieve. When we achieve, we can achieve great things. But as the compare was always asking for a clap is a tonic for everyone. So if you clap, so that appreciation. So for clap itself, we are thinking, but they are giving the awards for that. So it's a proudful moment. It's not an ordinary group. This Times Group, actually, this is the media is the fourth pillar of democracy. And I should narrate a small incident in Bernard Shaw's life, which I read. Bernard Shaw was like Times Group. He was working in a media group. First issue, when the first issue came, he wrote in the back of that issue, the rough copy, he told to the MD, I am working hard, and if you are not giving a promotion, I don't know what I will do. Next issue also, the last page in the rough copy, he writes, I am working very hard, but I don't know what I will do. If you are not giving me a promotion, I'll rise in my salary. Then next issue also, then the MD wrote, okay, what he will do, I want to know. He was thinking that he may decide something. Then Bernard Shaw wrote, what to do, I have to work here only because I like the institution. But even though if you are not giving anything, I have to work here. I will work here only. That is the message he told the media. So whenever we like an institution, whatever may be the challenges, we continue to work. So I really appreciate each and every one. And as it is said, it's not an easy job. That, in a lighter sense, we used to say it's none of your business. It's none of your business, but business is so serious that you have achieved great things. And I am really very happy. And as it is mentioned by Mayor, there are ample opportunities created by the state government and the central government in the MSME sector and the Startup India, Stand Up India, Make in India, and our Honorable Prime Minister's Vocal for Local, Atmanirbhar. All these schemes create ample opportunity for the businessmen to improve their business. And really, I'm very happy to be here and appreciate each and every one of your great efforts so that you are getting the prestigious award in this prestigious stage with the prestigious institution like Times of India. Thank you so much.